Amen.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
I'm good. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at multiple intelligences. So the objective for this lesson is that participants will be able to define and discuss the 8 different intelligences, and they will respond to a survey to find their own intelligences and discuss the results. So let's go through some community guidelines. We are happy to have everyone here. Please make an effort to arrive on time, but if you are late, please join in as you are able. If you have technical difficulties, that's okay, and you can just join in when you can. Mute yourself when you are not talking, but please remember to unmute yourself when you do need to say something. We want to be able to hear everyone. Also try to speak loudly so everyone can hear you. Please complete the pre-class interactive self-paced slides, which are on the Facebook page as well as in the Google Classroom that is made. This will help us revise and develop the course content, so thank you. If you have questions or technical issues during the session, please email us at info.hett@gmail.com or just send a message in the chat box. Okay, so my name is Lisa. I am going to be leading this training or class, and Kathleen is going to be the co-host. Kathleen, would you like to introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Kathleen Greiwe. I'm an English and Spanish teacher located in the US, and I make all these slides. So please do send us your feedback. We really appreciate it.
Thank you. And Mary, would you like to introduce yourself? Oh, I'm not sure if hers is working right now. I think she's still connecting or something. Connecting to audio. Okay, that's okay. Okay, how well do you understand the 8 intelligences? So if you've heard of multiple intelligences before, there's 8 of them. So not at all, a little bit more, somewhat, quite a bit. You really, really know them and understand them. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So on the count of 3, can you show me? So 1, 2, 3. How many? So let's see. I see some 3s. Oh, some people have their camera off, so it's a bit difficult. Okay, good, excellent. Has anyone heard of multiple intelligences? What is it?
I think visual spatial.
Yep, so that's, yeah.
Yeah, next bodily kinesthetic.
Yeah.
Next intrapersonal or interpersonal.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Excellent, awesome. So that's actually more related to the next question. So what are the 8 intelligences? So you listed some. Does anyone else know any? If not, that's okay. Okay, so here they are. So there's verbal linguistic, logical mathematical, spatial visual, bodily or kinesthetic, musical, interpersonal, or naturalist. Does anyone want to take a guess what any of those mean? If not, that's okay. But if anyone is interested.
Sorry, Lisa, please tell us
Oh,
again.
if
Yeah.
you want to explain what they mean.
Yeah. I think verbal linguistics who have that kind of intelligence that one maybe fluent and very form of learning about languages. I think so. And logical mathematics who that kind of intelligence. If someone have that kind of intelligence, it will be good at maths or thinking, something like that. And if someone has spatial visual intelligence, they might be good at remembering places. And bodily kinesthetic, I think that kind of intelligence may be good at uh, movie body parts in learning languages or something like that. And music, that kind of intelligence may be good at learning about music or rhythm, something like that. And interpersonal, that I'm confusing about inter and intro. I think interpersonal, the one who have that kind of intelligence is very good at communication skill with other people, and intrapersonal is that kind of people is good at is how can I say. Mm, focus on only their feeling or mood, something like that. It may be wrong. And next one is neutralist, a naturalist. I think that one may be very good at how can I say, uh, e- ecology.
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
that's
it may be wrong.
yeah, no, I think that's correct. Okay,
I
good.
think naturally is connected with nature.
Yeah, that's probably the simplest way is connect it with nature.
Yeah, it is nature. Yeah, they enjoy being outdoors and know a lot about the world that surrounds them.
Okay, good, excellent. Okay, so we're going to go through each one and then maybe if someone wants to tell me what it's called. So people with this intelligence are able to think in an organized way. They can use numbers and equations to relate to the world. These skills also transfer into an ability to solve abstract problems. So which intelligence is this?
Logical and mathematical intelligence.
Mathematics.
Yes, good. Logical and mathematical. Good. So let's look at the next one. People with this intelligence get along well with others. They understand what other people want and need. If they understand other people's motives, they're able to work effectively with them.
I think interpersonal.
Interpersonal.
Good, interpersonal. So yes, good, excellent. People with this intelligence are good with patterns and pictures. On a larger scale, they can remember where they are in relation to other things. On a small scale, they can find relationships between two things, such as puzzle pieces.
Spatial. Yeah.
Spatial visual.
Spatial visual.
Visual
Good.
spatial. Oh yeah.
Spatial visual, excellent.
Yes.
People with this intelligence have a way with words. They're able to express themselves clearly. They may even create art like poetry with their words. They are good speakers and writers.
Verbal.
Uh,
Verbal.
Yeah, so verbal.
Yeah,
verbal
verbal
linguistic.
linguistic.
Yeah,
Yeah.
linguistic is
Forgot
like
about
language.
linguistics. Yeah.
Okay. People with this intelligence are in tune with the rhythms and music of daily life. They have a gift for understanding the different elements of music and creating music themselves.
Musical.
Musical intelligence.
Good. with this intelligence are aware of how their bodies work and move. They are able to control and train their bodies to perform a variety of tasks. They can be skilled at large movements like running or tumbling, or fine movements using just one part of their body.
Bodily kinesthetic intelligence.
Good, bodily kinesthetic. Next one.
Bodily.
People with this intelligence are connected with nature. They enjoy being outdoors and know a lot about the world that surrounds them. They can remember the names of and identify plants and animal species.
Naturalist.
Naturalist.
Naturalist. Naturalist. Intelligence.
Good, excellent. People with this intelligence know themselves well. They are able to understand their own thoughts and feelings. Because of this, they can control their reactions. They often have a strong sense of purpose in life.
Intrapersonal.
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 Intrapersonal. Good. Excellent. Okay, so listen for the name of the intelligence. Write or type in the chat box one sentence that summarizes it. So you use the chat box for this activity and write one sentence summarizing the definition of the intelligence. So how would you define it? I think I might just mute everyone, but if you have a question, you can message me. Musical. So can you write one sentence in the chat box? Give you about 2 minutes to do that, whoever would like to. So how would you define musical as an intelligence? Okay, good. Give you 1 more minute. Good. Good. Yeah. 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's move to the next one. Okay, cool. Good job. Interpersonal. So how would you define it? You have 2 minutes. So remember, interpersonal. Good. Good. Excellent. So yeah, I'll give people 1 more minute, 50 more seconds. If there's anyone else who wants to answer. Good. Okay. 5 more seconds. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oops. Okay, let's go to the next one. Naturalists, you have 2 minutes. So can you define it? How would you define it? Good. Person who has the naturalist intelligence has the ability of caring for the nature and animals, means the person feels safe even with strangers. It's more about nature, like being outside. How to react with nature. Good. Okay, 5 more seconds. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's do the next one. Okay, I'm gonna give you a little bit less time, so I'm just gonna give you 1.5 minutes for this one. So you have 1.5 minutes to record your answer. Good. Good. Excellent. Okay, so 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's look at the next one. Logical mathematical. So you have 1 minute and 30 seconds. So how would you define it? Okay, good. This intelligence means working out mathematical problems easily. People with logical mathematical are good at working with numbers, complex and abstract ideas. People who are good at problem solving, thinking critically, and so on have logical mathematical intelligence. That kind of people is skillful in mathematics. Good, excellent. Okay, 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Interpersonal. And logical mathematical means that person who is good at logic and math. Good. Intrapersonal. People who are understanding what they want exactly have kind of intrapersonal intelligence. Interpersonal intelligence is the capacity to explore one's inner feelings. Good. Okay, 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Intrapersonal intelligence means a person who knows what he wants to do and where he wants to go. Okay, bodily kinesthetic. Such kind of intelligence found that people who are good at hand-eye coordination. Excellent. Bodily kinesthetic involves how well an individual controls her body in terms of physical activity. Excellent. Okay, 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yeah, I was gonna say, I think this is the last one. I was kind of trying to keep track. Okay, we have 1 minute and 30 seconds. Last one, verbal linguistic. Okay, good. Okay, verbal linguistic. I don't think I see any answers. Does someone want to tell me? There we go. The person who's good at applying language. There we go. A bunch of people. Okay. Excellent. Very good. I am not good at languages, so I am not verbal linguistic. I think I tried this test and I got like a 0. We're going to do a test. I think I got 0 for verbal linguistic. So individually complete this survey to discover your intelligences. If you have a question or technical difficulty, please email us or send us a message. Oh, sorry, I'm just going to close it so I can share the link with you. So please work individually to do this test. And so if you go through and answer it, then it will tell you what is your top intelligence, or it'll tell you all of your different intelligences and what rating you have or ranking. So I will give you, let's say 10 minutes to do it. But if you finish before 10 minutes, you can type done in the chat box. And then if everyone finishes, then we can finish before 10 minutes. But yeah, we'll give you 10 minutes to answer it. So until I have to change the time. So it is it's 9:04 now. So you have until 9:14 p.m. Yeah, that's correct. 9:14 p.m. to complete it. And if you have any problems, just send a message in the chat box or an email. let's say 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. One more minute. Okay, does anyone need more time? Or does anyone want more time? You can either message me or just tell me. Okay, so for the next activity, let me see if I can find it. So I'm going to put you in 2 groups, and I'd like you to discuss your answers with those in your group. And I would like you to discuss the following questions. What was your intelligence? Do you agree or disagree with the results you received? Why do you think you received these results? So I'll put the link to the Pear Deck in the chat. My chat is now not opening up. Where'd my chat go? Oh, there we go. So I'm going to put the link to the Pear Deck with the questions. So those 3 questions: what was your top intelligence? Do you agree or disagree with the results you received? Why do you think you received these results? So I'm going to put you in a group, and please tell your group your results. And if you weren't able to finish, just in case, you can tell what you think you would be. Okay, let's put you in 2 groups. Okay, so I'll give you 5 minutes to discuss. Okay, Mimi Tan, can you please go to the breakout room? Okay, I'm going to go check on people. Hello.
Hello.
How about the other two people? Can they unmute? Or are you able to talk? So what did you receive? What was your...
Yeah, I have received intrapersonal intelligence.
Okay, cool. Do you agree with that?
Yeah, I agree. But I have not, I don't have only such kind of intelligence. I think I have many intelligence.
Yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely. Okay, who else is in the group? Hey, Marchiso, what
Yes.
intelligence did you get?
Musical intelligence.
Wow.
Cool, very cool. And do you agree with that?
Yes, I agree. But I think I have another kind of intelligence.
Yeah, definitely, of course. Yeah, it's just like it's kind of looking for your top one. What are you good at? And who is MAT?
Hello, MAT, are you there? Hello.
I don't know. Let's see if I can unmute them.
Yeah. So Hima Tiso.
Yes, maybe
Yes,
the two of you can talk about your answers. I'll go
Yeah.
to the next room.
So let's discuss.
That tennis. One day, if I have a lot of money, I go around the world and then I hike to the beautiful mountain.
Lisa, you are muted.
Okay, thank you. So let's do this again. How well do you understand the 8 intelligences? So not at all, a little bit more, a little bit, even more, and you very much understand them. So 0 to 5, how well do you understand? So on the count of 3, show me. 1, 2, 3. How well do you understand? 5, 4, 5. Okay, good. Excellent job. Okay, so we are finished for today. I will send out a Google form to fill in for feedback. So please, it'd be much appreciated if you could do that, and then we can use that to improve on things. I also will have an invitation to join Google Classroom. I put all the videos and all the slides and everything up there, so you can do them on your own time if you miss one, or if you wanted to practice, you can practice. So next week, we're going to be looking at learning styles. And it will be both, should we be following learning styles, should we not be, that type of thing. So if you would like to see the syllabus for what we'll be doing each week, you can find it in the Google Classroom as well. So thank you very much, and bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
Teacher
See you
Lisa.
next
Bye
week.
bye. Thank you. See you next week.
Thank you. See you next week.
See you. Bye bye.
See you. Bye-bye.